Today I'm going to be demonstrating how I made this leaf print pendant and earring set. So I started with 3 different colors of blue and I rolled them out and then twisted them together. After rolling them together for a bit, you get this nice marbled effect. I'm actually going to make one solid color, so I rolled it through the pasta machine a few times. And I like the color, but I want to lighten it up just a bit, so I added some more white. Then I added some silver and some black to make a little bit of striping. Next, I used some cornstarch to sand the surface. And then I used these cutters to cut out my shapes. Then the next step is to press the design into the clay. That was a pendant. I repeat the same for the earrings. And then they go into the oven and bake. When they come out, I clean them off with a brush just to make sure that there's no cornstarch left. And then some isopropyl alcohol. And that helps get rid of fingerprints and things like that on the surface. If there's any rough edges, I put some water on my emery board there and use that to file it down. Next, I'll be adding the findings. That's the hooks for the earrings and the bail for the pendant. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, share, all that good fun stuff so that you can follow along as I demonstrate more art and craft techniques.